Bring it up. I want to right click and choose relink. We're going to relink to managed media. And now it asks us a whole bunch of questions. So when you're trying to look for linked media, if you see anything in here that seems somewhat restrictive, just say no to that. Look everywhere. Relink only to media from the current project? Yeah, that sounds restrictive. Match case when comparing source names. Nope, I'm gonna say there. Media on drive, all available drives. Yeah, I'm looking at all available drives and see that it's there. Allow relink across rates. I'm gonna leave that one alone. Relink to video format of current project only. Again, that feels restrictive. I'm gonna choose any video format, but let's look at by highest quality. We'll relink by highest quality. I wanna look for the video and the audio information. Do I wanna create a new sequence? If you see anything in here that sounds like it's gonna take away some ability to look for anything, I would say no to that. You're looking for media, you wanna find it here. So I'm gonna say okay, and it's gonna find this new sequence that it built. This is the relinked version.